Kipper the Clown. What do you see on this cover? Kipper and Floppy. And Kipper was dressed up like a clown, and he was juggling some balls. What is gonna happen? Let's see. The children put on a circus. The neighbor came to see, and he was paying for a ticket. Wilma was the cashier. Kipper was dressed up like a clown and was handing out the ticket. Kipper was a clown. A clown usually does some silly acts to make people laugh. Floppy pulled his leg. Kipper and Floppy acted so funny that everyone laughed. Chip was a strong man. A strong man can lift up very heavy things. Wow! Chip had a lot of muscles and lifted up a weight of 75 kg. But was it real? What was Floppy doing? Floppy had burst the weight. Oh, the weight was actually a balloon. Chip was lifting up a balloon, not a real weight. He made everyone laugh. Wilma and Biff are gymnasts. They did gymnastics. Biff was standing upside down while Wilma was supporting her at the bottom. What a performance! Bravo! Everyone was having a break. Everyone had a drink and some snacks. Oh no! Biff had spilled some drinks onto the neighbor. What a good circus, said Mom. Who would perform next? Wilf was a stuntman. A stuntman usually does dangerous acts to entertain people. What was Wilf doing? He was riding a bike and was about to jump across two teddy bears on the grass. Could he make it? Kipper was fed up. He did not want to be a clown who did silly acts. He wanted to be a stuntman too. Everyone was cheering for Wilf, who rode the bike to jump across the teddy bears successfully. Look at me, Kipper said. Kipper was riding on a bike. He was trying to ride up the ramp to jump across the teddy bears, just like Wilf. Would Kipper succeed? Everyone looked at Kipper. Oh no! Kipper did not go onto the ramp. He went to the wrong side and tripped over a brick. Everyone was shocked. Oh! Phew! What a relief! Kipper did a somersault and landed on a mattress safely. I am a clown after all, said Kipper. What would you like to be? A strong man, a clown, or a stuntman? Remember to enjoy everything. And that's the end. Kipper the Clown. The children put on a circus.